Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This week I'm going to be starting something new with you guys. I'm going to start doing live trading. I'm going to start showing you guys the behind the scenes of why I'm taking trades, of what are the trades I'm looking at for the week, and when and why I enter my trades. So this week I'm looking for NZD CAD sells, either looking to reject this first area right here, or this second area, or maybe this third area. Probably not the third area. Euro AUD. I'm going to be looking for some sells. Weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish, but we are creating bearish market structure. We also have the EMA, and today is Friday. It's about 8 o'clock, 7:51. You guys can see right here. But yeah, your AUD looks really good. GBP AUD. I'm looking for price to probably pull back into this area, give me some rejections. I'll probably sell at this neckline on the 4-hour. USD CAD, looking for sales for it to come back into this area, retest it again. We have the daily EMA. We're rejecting a little bit of the previous structure point right here. Looks very good for sales. NZD USD, looking for it to pull back into my area right here. Yeah, 4 hours bearish. I'm looking for it to come back into my area. Daily's also bearish. AUD USD, we're at a daily area of interest. Daily's coming down. Great area of interest for us to buy. All we're really waiting for is our entry signal on this one. USD. We're gonna wait for us to pull back into this area, reject it and sell. Euro CAD, same thing. Pull back into this area and sell. Euro GBP. This week might be a really good week, low key. GBP CAD. Honestly, don't think this one will really. Yeah, maybe. Pull back into this area, then sell. Euro USD. Pull back into this area and sell. Come up, retest, sell. I think it needs to come back to this area right here, low-key. TDJPY. We are going to wait for it to either pull somewhere into these two areas, give us a rejection right here, somewhere in this area, and then we'll be looking for sells. So yeah, those are the markets we're going to be looking at for next week, and I'm going to see you guys on Sunday when the market opens. Probably when the market opens or around London session, and we're going to see what we're going to do. Got you. All right, we're back, guys. It is 11:47 on Sunday. Markets are open. It is about to be London session in about 13 minutes. And we're looking at NZD CAD. NZD CAD looks great. We're going to come at these markets very aggressive this week. Very aggressive this week, bro. Your GBP AUD looks good. We're retesting this 2-hour, 4-hour, and like 1-hour head and shoulders pattern. Coming back, retesting it. 4-hour EMA, AUD USD. So man, looks good. We're just gonna look for, we have a breaker structure. We just need an engulfing candlestick. I had a 1-hour structure as well. This is a good trade. I like this one a lot, actually. And this will be, if we have an engulfing candlestick, have a 95%. That'll be a trade setup. And then we're gonna enter this trade, bro. These are the 3 pairs I'm looking at, and I'll let you know if I enter any trades, if we get our entry signals on any of them. Alright, boys, fuck it. I think we're about to enter this trade. We just got the engulfing candlestick right here, about 1:35 in the morning. Engulfing candlestick, so now we're at, puts us about like 95%. A trade setup, stop loss 65646. Alright, we just entered on 80 USD. I'm low-key risking a lot, bro. I'm coming at this week crazy. I'm not even gonna tell y'all how much I'm risking. So we're in ADUSD right now. I'm gonna see what happens when we wake up. I'm waiting for a breaking structure right here. Or just shift the structure again. AUD, big move to the upside. Wait for it to come back down, retest the area of interest again. This one, I'm waiting just for it to consolidate at this area. GBPUSD just entered the area of interest right now. Yeah, I'm just waiting for some rejections, shift the structure, shit like that. Yeah. See you all in the morning. All right, trade update. We are currently up 254. It's at 254 on that account, and then we are up $96. $96 on this account. It's about 441 Monday. Market just consolidating, honestly. Probably gonna hit the gym after this, and then give y'all another trade update. All right, bet. Well, damn. Okay. Last time I looked at the markets, yeah, like I told you guys, we came back down here. And we're pushing up right now. I was at the gym when all this stuff happened. And then I got back home around like right here. Then we get up here, then I'll be like, okay, trade's going in the right direction. But we're still just consolidating in the area right now, so it means nothing. Monday, London session opens in about 10 minutes, 11:50. And we have news tomorrow morning, 6:45. AUD news at 6:30 p.m. Looks like NZD CAD retest this area. I guess, yeah. It looks like we created a new area right here. Boom. And we just retested it. Boom. Didn't have a shift to structure though. No shift to structure, but I mean, and it's clean. Looks like it's kind of a 4-hour area of interest as well. Probably just wait for, you know, break, retest. No. GBP does look really clean. Gonna wait for a break, retest, sell. GBP USD also looks clean. I mean, shit. I feel like entering right here would be like a fucking sniper entry. I'll see you guys in the morning if anything happens. If nothing, if it's just being slow like this, probably catch y'all later in the day. See y'all in a little bit. I bet we kind of broke through the area of interest now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. New York sessions have been open for about 3 hours. Tuesday news didn't really do much. I mean, it pulled us up here, but I'm looking at GBP AUD. I'm looking for like just an entry signal. At this point, we already had our shifted structure. Let's grade this one up. It looks beautiful. If we get the gold, it would be a 95% trade. We have the 4-hour in sync. We'd be at 115, but we don't. I'm just looking for an entry signal. So that's what I'll be waiting for, and I will let you guys know when we get our entry signal. We missed it, bro. I was gonna enter right here. Like I said, give me an engulfing candlestick, and we're in the trade. Price gave me an engulfing candlestick at 2 o'clock, right when New York session closes. So I'm like, bro, I'm not entering right now. And then give me another one at 6. Fucking busy, had a call with my student at 6. So I didn't enter the trade here, even though I'm gonna wait until at least 9 to enter the trade. And then boom, if we would enter right here, instant profit, bro. Ah, just look at this. Instant, almost 1 to 2. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nah, it's up 858. And then on our other account, we're up. We were up like about $500 earlier. About 394, 400, 387 now. Yeah, I mean, we're just waiting. So we're up about like what, 1100 right now. Looking to make this trade is like $5,000 is what we're looking to make. I was gonna be, I mean, we would have been up like probably like 1,000 on this one. I wasn't gonna waste that much on this one. GBP USD still also looks good though. Actually, yeah, looks good. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go to the gym right now. 8:39. London session opens in about 3 hours, and I'll catch you guys in London session. All right, I'm back from the gym. 12:42. London session's open. No kilo hurt, guys. We are about to hit TP on this trade. Literally was calling it out. All we need is an engulfing candlestick. Got the engulfing candlestick. Getting into the trade. You know, I like to only trade in London and New York session. This was right when New York session closed, so I did not take the trade. We would be up some good money, bro. We're already at a 1 to 2.5, bro. AUD USD. We're not even at a 1 to fucking 1. I know we are. We're just not at 1 to 2.5. If this candlestick closes like this on the daily, I believe we'll make it to take profit. It looks really good. It looks like a really good trade. I like it. Entity cap. It looks good for sales, but I mean, it does look like it has some good rejection though from this area. Oh yeah, and GBP USD. Waiting for a pullback on this one. Like I said, this fucking playing around with the entry right here. What did I say? Something about like sniper entry right there. It wasn't a bad entry. I think we would already have like a 1 to 2. Almost would have got worked out right there. But yeah, I mean, we could have entered the trade right here. Stop loss. I said probably stop loss right here. But we're gonna wait for a pullback and engulfing candlestick. I mean, so honestly, yeah, these are the only pairs so far that we're interested in. All these other pairs, they didn't go like I wanted them to do, so I'm not interested in them anymore. I will see you guys in New York session. It was 12:32, Thursday London session, and the trade is just fucking. I mean, I think the last time I was recording, I was up here, and we just went straight down. I'm just got stopped out. Now we're just chilling at break even. So, I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen at this point. since we broke under the area of interest. I don't know if it's retesting it to then go down even more. I don't know. Or if it was just like a, like a little liquidity grab or something like that. So all I can do is really just wait until it's either take profit or stop loss. We have news today, 5 in the morning, GBP/USD. I also missed out. I was telling you guys about this one. I'll let you guys know how this trade ends up going in the New York session. Would you look at that? Okay, so like I said, we broke under the area of interest, so I did say we might be having a little break and retest under the sell. And we did. The market listened to me. It went down. News just pushed it. I think the USD news. This is all news. They pushed it down. We could have made money on GBP/USD or GBP/AUD and GBP/USD. They both dumped. You feel me? We missed both of them. I was waiting on a pullback on this one. Never got a pullback. GBP/AUD literally missed the entry because it was not in session. Alright, yeah. So I mean, we missed 2 trades, took 1 L. Could have been a good week. I was saying I was gonna be aggressive, but I missed both of my entries, bro. GBP/AUD didn't take it because we weren't in the right session. GBP/USD didn't really give me enough entry. I mean, we had this shift to structure right here. We never got a pullback. We had this shift to structure right here. Okay, could have took it right here or right here. I was thinking about it, but I didn't. Hesitated, bro. That's what happens when you hesitate. You lose $1,500. I mean, it's all good. We're gonna come back next week and do the exact same video next week. If you guys found this video entertaining, drop a comment, give me a like, subscribe. If you guys want to do this live with me for free every single week, click the link in my description, and I'm gonna see y'all next week.